Now the next article is how strong an acid or a base solution. As we have earlier discussed, the concept of dilution or the decrease in concentration of H positive ions or OH negative ions. Now, can we quantitatively find the amount of the ions present in a solution? Yes. Can we do this by making the use of a universal indicator? Now, what is an indicator? An indicator is that which it indicates the presence of acid or a basic nature. Now, what do you mean by a universal indicator? Which is a mixture of several indicators, that is called a universal indicators. It shows different colors for different concentration of hydrogen ions in a solution. Now a scale is developed that measures the acidic or basic nature, in which a scale that measures hydrogen ions concentration in a solution called pH scale, the naming of the scale is pH scale, has been developed. In this, P stands for potence, meaning power. On this scale, we can measure pH generally from range 0 to 14, and 0 is indicated here very acidic or 14 is indicated here very basic. The pH of a natural solution or neutral solution is 7. It's a neutral solution, not natural. It's a neutral solution is 7. Values less than 7 to 14, values less than 7 on pH scale represents an acidic character. As it increases from 7 to 14, it represents increase in OH negative ions in the solution, that is increase in strength of alkali. It is shown in figure. The scale is given here. This is a scale in which 0 is pointed here, 14 is here, and 7 is on neutral. The arrow sign is showing here. It means the acidic nature increases. That means as we are going from 7 to 0, the H positive ions concentration is gone and increasing. That means acidic nature increases. And as we are moving from 7 to 14, basic nature increases as OH negative ions concentration increases. So the arrow sign is pointing here increase in H positive ion concentration, and it is in decrease in H positive ions concentration. Now the strength of acid and base depends on the amount of H positive and OH negative ions produced. For example, if we are talking about a strong acid, that means it gives more H positive ions in aqueous solution, and if we are talking about weak acidic, that means it gives less H positive ions in aqueous solution. Similarly, for basic, if the strong base is said, then it gives more OH negative ions, and if we are talking about a weak base, then it gives less OH negative ions, that means hydroxyl ions. So depending on the amount of H positive or OH negative ions, we will decide that it is either a strong acid or a strong base.